Good morning, K3. Welcome back to a brand new week of learning. This is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Do you know what day it is today? Today is Monday. That's right. And what day was it? Yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. That's right. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. That's right. And guess what? We're in a brand new month. We are in the month of October. That's right. Look at those cute little pumpkins right there. Pumpkins. Yes. Can you help me read the date? Okay, come on, let's do it. Today is Monday, October 4th, 2021. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, now, how many letters are in the alphabet? Do you know? 26. That's right. And do you know how many groups they're divided into? 2. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. Super. How many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. And you know all of them. A, E, I, O, U, vowel, disco. A, E, I, O, U, vowel, disco. Super. Did you dance with me? Awesome, awesome. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. They're the short sound and the long sound. So it's 2 sounds, the short sound and the long sound. When it's the short sound, we mark it with a happy face, just like this. Yes, we do. And when it's the long sound, we mark it with a line. Okay, super duper. Now, dun 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 dun, I'm going to say a word. And, dun dun dun, are you ready? You have to tell me what vowel sound it has. Okay, here we go. 6. 6. 6. It has the vowel sound as in Indian. 6. Okay, here's another one. Are you ready? Best. Best. It has that sound. Best. Best. Okay, here's the next one. Are you ready? Lap. Lap. It has the sound. Lap. Lap. Remember, when we have words, what happens is magic. We put different letters together and they make different sounds and they go abracadabra and we have a word like hum. Hum. Ha, ah. And that word means I can hum. Okay, are you ready? Here's the next word. Dig. I can dig. Dig. I can dig in the dirt. Dig. 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 Super. Here's the next one. Calf. Like Milky. Milky was a baby cow called a calf. 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 Ah. Super. Are you doing them with me? Try to guess them before I say them. Okay, here's our next one. red, red, red. Yes, red, super. Okay, last one. Tug, tug is to pull. Tug, tug, tug. Ah, that's right. Super duper duper. Okay, now let's look at our last vowel that we just learned. The name of this letter is O. It makes a sound ah, as in ostrich. O says ah, ah, ah. Did you know that the ostrich's eye is bigger than his brain? I just learned about that recently. Ooh. Okay, now, what letter makes the sound we hear at the beginning of the word olives? Olives. Ah, that's right. Let's review it one more time. The name of this letter is O. It makes the sound ah, as in olives. There you go. Super duper duper. Now, we're going to do Be My Echo. Be My Echo. Do you know that song? Okay, here we go. Here we go. You repeat after me and echo. Echo, echo, echo. Here we go. Be my echo. Be my echo. O says ah. O says ah. Octopus and oxen. Octopus and oxen. On and off in olives. On and off in olives. Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. What does O say? What does O say? O says ah. O says ah. Opposite an ostrich. Opposite an ostrich. Oscar in his office. Oscar in his office. Ah. O says ah. O says ah. Yay! That is wonderful. You guys are just amazing. Now, let's see what we're going to do next. We're going to play a game. I Spy with my little eye. Dun, 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 dun. Some things on my desk and the counter that has an ah in the middle or at the beginning of its name. Okay, so let's see. I spy with my little eye a purple sea creature that has the letter O at the beginning, the sound ah at the beginning of its name. Do you know what it is? Octopus! That's right! Ah, octopus! Woo! Super. Okay, I spy with my little eye something that's orange and it has the ah sound in the middle of its name. Do you know what it is? Block. That's right. Block. Block. Super duper. I spy with my little eye something that's really heavy. And it has the ah sound at the beginning of the word. Oh, this is so heavy. Do you know what it is? Rock. That's right. Rock. Rock. It's so heavy I couldn't put it down. You guys are great at playing this game. Okay, I spy with my little eye something that you wear on your feet that keep your feet warm, and it has the ah sound in the middle. Do you know what it is? Socks! That's right! Socks! Stinky socks Nah, they're clean stocks. Okay. I spy with my little eye an animal that likes to go woof, 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 and it has the ah sound in the middle. Do you know what it is? Dog! That's right. Last one. I spy with my little eye something that I use to clean the floor with, and it has the ah sound in the middle. It's called a mop. Mop. Super duper. All right, that was fun. Good game. Thank you so much for helping me with the game. Okay, now